the streaming. Just change it with these two. I do not. Okay, got it. Let's start. Set up our environment, and we have this kind of. Where is my project? There is. And we have to use my different ID here. Okay, just run. And we have localhost, we have testing. Got it. तो ओके, तो अपन ने कल क्या बनाया था? हमने कल ये दो बैनर्स बनाए थे, चूज सिल्वर चूज गोल्ड. ओके, दीज वर द बैनर्स विच वी हैव क्रिएटेड. ओके, और इसको हमने होम पे सेट किया था. बट देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम, लाइक ये जो है ना, ये इसके बीच में इंटरफेयर कर रहा है. ओके, काम करते हैं. गो फॉर टेस्टिंग and public. We have css and we have testing.cs, all the things we have. I just go for Gemini and ask to remove old media queries and make it more responsive now for every okay. Go for Gemini Pro and just code it. Okay, it will do the stuff. Meanwhile we are we can create a Gemini, and we are going for just use Gemini or just use the Claude. Okay, here Gemini and here we will using Claude. We have Claude. Okay, now we have to make for my HTML page privacy policy, pricing, not pricing, for privacy policy, and refund cookie policy. For my website, generate components in HTML using only HTML, CSS and JS for privacy policy. For these three things, make them responsive and do code in separate files. Okay, we got some CSS. Let us see how it is. Okay, this is it. Let us see it is responsive or not. Okay, It is quite responsive. Let us see the it is not that responsive. I don't find it responsive. But when we do इसकी width बहुत ज़्यादा है, and then let us say our Claude ने हमने हमारे लिए क्या बनाया. This is HTML and this is CSS. Just comment out. Why it is not? Testing 1. Just create another file, testing.css, and just this is an HTML. Go for testing.ejs and comment all code and just rewrite our new code. And for CSS, here it is, privacy policy.css. We don't know, we want everything in one file. Okay, here we have testing dots. Where is testing CSS? Here we have. And now for testing.js. Okay, let us see what we get from Claude. Okay, it is plain HTML. Okay, it is testing.css, but I don't know why it is not. Okay, I know. When we are going to testing.ejs, we have to link the files that we are working on. So we have to link the css slash testing.css. okay, and we have to load our JavaScript. So slash css slash we have testing.js. Now let's think. Okay, table of contents. So we have an introduction, information we collect. Okay, How do we use your information, data sharing and disclosures, data security, your privacy right to access, right to rectification, right to ensure, and right to restrict processing cookies. For website, use cookies to distinguish from another you from other user. This helps to provide a good experience with you. Privacy safety. Please check our cookie policy. Okay, and contact. If you have contact about privacy policy, please contact us. This it is quite good, but it is not according to our requirement. Make it stylish. It's not. It's just normal. Okay, I think we have a refund policy. Here we have refund policy. Okay, like merge policies in same file, but I was talking about do HTML and CSS and JS in different file, and JS if required in the files. Okay, in the meanwhile we can check the privacy policy template for WhatsApp, templates, GitHub. If we can find something great, then we will /js/testing. Okay, we go for link in HTML /css/testing. We got it, I think. Okay, for privacy policy, okay, we do have these things. Now we have to, this is HTML, this is pure HTML. Go. This is CSS. Copy and paste. Now for if there is a JavaScript, it's too big file, it's too complicated to manage. Let us see what we get now. We have a privacy policy, we have a refund policy, and we have a cookie policy. We use cookies. Okay, accept all, reject all. Okay, it is quite good. it is better. Okay, I am now creating a file which is policies, and I'm just here we have views, here we have sign up, here I'm adding just policies dot ejs. Here I have some policies. So it is better to write the policies in plain HTML. I don't know it is better or not, but I'm just, we have testing.ejs, copy it and policies, paste it. We have to add some head, okay, like we do in login, include partials, okay. So just remove it. We have our policies. We just have a like include partials, navigation and all stuffs. Testing one remove, testing.js and navigation.js. I have to create a file with policies.css. those testing I will, okay, I have policies there. Remove this body system, okay. Testing.js, copy it, and here we have js and just add policies.js. got it. Here we have policies.js. okay, remove this. Now we have to work with these three items, okay. We have to include the partials, like where is the including statement. We do have these two scripts, go for, and here we have to okay, so I have to create a route. I'm just creating a route. I'm just creating a normal route here. I'll manage it later, okay. I'll manage this later, like policies, and you have to return this. We have a policies, I think we have a policies named, okay. policies, okay. Now we have to we just got this. No testing, I'm just on policies. Here the css is not working because we have not added the css part. So I have included the partials footer, So I have go for up here. uh, we have to include the navigation bar, and here we have to include the header. Views, partials, footer, nav and head. So we have to go for head, and let us do. Now we have a logo, we have a categories, and we do have, okay, I have to link my CSS part. Just link those css/policies.css. Okay, here we have refund policy, cookie policy. We got it, refund policy and cookie policy. So what I have to do now is to make this we have this policy. I'm thinking about, should I keep this navigation bar or should I remove it? Okay, if I'm going to remove this navigation bar, then there will be our policies. Instead of our policy, just look for vlog. You think it just created a beautiful navigation bar. Return window, refund process, return shipping. Refund policy, not a refund and return policy. We have a privacy policy, we have a refund policy, and we have a cookie policy. As I go for blog, I think it is responsive. जब भी मेरी विड्थ कितनी होती है, अराउंड 770. Okay, go for media queries. It doesn't have media queries. $768. Policy header, privacy header. Policy header, privacy header. Policy header, header dot policy header, privacy header. Policy header, privacy header आई है. Background color red. ये वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा बॉडी. Okay, body is not working. I don't know why. पॉलिसीज डॉट सी एस एस में ही मैं काम कर रहा हूँ ना. Oh God, here is it testing. I'm telling why the effect are not working. Such big fool I am. Okay. Policy.js. Now it is working. We have a log, and as we go for media queries. Where are media queries? There we have media queries. Here we have media queries. Color is going red. Okay, so we have to do 200 pixel. फ़ॉन्ट साइज छोटा नहीं होता. आई डोंट थिंक फ़ॉन्ट साइज छोटा होता है. फ़ॉन्ट साइज शुड बी मीडियम. Okay. Max with 300 pixel. We are going for body, and font size will be smaller. Small. कितना पैडिंग टॉप था ऊपर? 220 pixel. I think now we are fit with 150 pixel. 180 pixel, I think it should work. कुकी पॉलिसी, रिफंड पॉलिसी एंड कुकी पॉलिसी के लिए क्यों नहीं वर्क कर रही है सारी चीज़ें? वी हैव दिस पॉलिगेशन नेविगेशन बार, हैशटैग कुकी पॉलिसी कंटेनर, रिफंड पॉलिसी सेक्शन. ओके, कुकी पॉलिसी सेक्शन, पॉलिसी हेडर, कुकी हेडर, पॉलिसी हेडर, कुकी हेडर, पॉलिसी हेडर, रिफंड हेडर, पॉलिसी हेडर, रिफंड हेडर, policy content, everything is working fine. Refund method, we have cookie policy and policy section, policy content. Why the working, it is not working on? We have to see the CSS. Cookie consent, cookie content, cookie text, button. Okay, when we go the media queries, okay, go for media queries. Media queries is not working, right? So we'll go for media, I think this is media queries, navigation container, cookie content, cookie button, privacy container, policy header, policy this, policy content, policy header, policy container, policy container. When we have policy content, all the things, all the related stuffs are generalized. We are using generalized things. Did you see? We are using generalized things. Meanwhile here, refund and policy is perfectly working, but this cookie is not working. Why? Cookie is only working for this. Cookie is only working for up to this length, and privacy policy is also working up to this length. All these kind of policies working for this particular length. What is this length? Let us see. 114. Cookie is going out of the bound. Cookie is going out of the bound. Guys, cookie is going out of the bound. I don't know why. Acha, due to this table, I think due to this table. Cookie is going out of the bound due to this table. So we should make this table. We have this kind of tables. Okay, do you think this is the table? When we are at this level, we have to set 5 and padding should be 4 pixel and 5 pixel. Okay, cookie pixel is working fine. I think it is working for now, for everything. Okay, it is quite responsive. Website is quite responsive. Okay, this is what we wanted. This is exactly what we wanted. Okay. Mm-hmm. 768. The font size is quite low. Don't you think the font size is quite low? It is working fine. No need to check out. It is quite good, but we have to check now. mm, we have home button there. We have policies. Okay, we have privacy policy, refund policy, and this policy. We have to make this color out, and we have to make this div font size. As there we are going to see, navigation bar is quite not good. Mm, okay. mm, I do have a navigation, and I in partials. Mm, 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 mm. According to page, like add some category or ये पेज भी बन गया. We can create now at a okay. When I am using this, I'll using this navigation bar. Okay, when I am using that home page, I will do, it is a privacy page, so at backend I will do this. On the backend side I will modify this. Okay, cookie policy. Oh, so like how to make from a link, like from a link, from how to navigate to another page, specific div, like a section. मुझे पता है ए से उधर चले जाएंगे, उसके बाद हमें हैशटैग लगाना पड़ेगा कुछ। लेट्स ट्राई करके देखते हैं। जो भी मेरा नेविगेशन बार है ना, पार्शियल्स में जो भी मेरा नेविगेशन बार है, नॉट नेविगेशन, फुटर, फुटर में मेरे जो लिंक है प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी, सो वी शुड गो फॉर स्लैश पॉलिसीज स्लैश head, like we have the, remove this, we have the, what is the privacy policy content, we have id cookie policy. Let us check it is working or not. Cookie policies, we are here. Yes, it is working. When you privacy policy, आई थिंक मैंने प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी की स्पेलिंग नहीं लिखी करेक्ट। refund, so we are going for refund. I have to check the yoga cookie policy, section id cookie policy, refund policy. Okay, when we are home page we can go for privacy page, we can go for refund page, and we go for policy, and we are at this page itself, we are not able to going any certain, why this. Okay, we don't need this, I think. We have privacy policy, go for vlog, go for cookie policy, okay, go for refund policy, okay, go for privacy policy, okay, now we can go for cookie policy, here refund. Cookie policy I am able to do, but from that particular page, This is in footer. I am able to navigate from other page, but on same page I am not able to go. Define sections by clicking corresponding sections. Okay, क्या दिक्कत हो सकती है? देखो, अगर मैं यहाँ पे हैशटैग लिखूँगा ना तो ये अपने आप शायद चला जाएगा या नहीं जाएगा. We have cookie policy, we have refund policy, and we have this policy. When we are a privacy policy and we are going for cookie policy, it is going for privacy policy, it is not going to refund policy. I think I have to see some refund policy, how to navigate. इससे क्या होगा? स्क्रॉल बिहेवियर स्मूथ से बॉडी scroll behavior smooth. Let us check. Still it is not going. It is only going for this privacy और this refund, and इस पे जा ही नहीं पा रहा. क्यों नहीं जा पा रहा? कुछ तो दिक्कत होगी ना. लेट्स कुछ करके देखते हैं. Does it matter? Because I am already at refund. Whenever we are going for, we have privacy, refund, and cookie policy. Go for cookie, go for privacy. We are on same page. As we are on same page, these policies are hidden. Okay, this policy is hidden, so we have to, these policies are hidden. Okay, you see, page is same but this id is hidden at that time, at that section. Okay, so we have this policy section, and we have cookie policy. When I'm going to refresh it, I'll get the cookie policy. When I'm going to refresh it, I'll get the privacy policy. ये रिफ्रेश करने पर जा रहा है ना। ओके अब एक काम करते हैं, क्लॉड से बोलते हैं ओके गॉट इट, मेक ओके मेक अ टीम, make a page, make another page for about us, contact and team. Teams having responsive cards and with their social links in one HTML5 and CSS and JS in different file. We are generating just front end. Later on we will generate this pure backend structure. ओके 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 उसने अभी कुकी पॉलिसीज़ पे कैसे गया, ये भी कुकी पॉलिसी पे गया ना, जस्ट बैक go for privacy policy and here we have this link, inspect this link and we will get this okay hashtag cookie policy, it just go for hashtag cookie policy. Policies, it will go for hashtag cookie policies. Our live stream is working well. I think we should take it. Listen. Now we have a policy and we have a about page. It's all the views done. Okay, CSS done. We have a public and JS. It is done. Now we have to add certain files. It is pretty simple to code. I have wasted the 2 to 3 days by exploring the different templates and then going for it. It's just simple. You need to, and if about.js, if you do have any JavaScript, Claude is good. I think it is better than Gemini for this purpose. Okay, let us see what we get in about section, and we have to make a route in about as well. I'm just creating routes for, and we have an about section. About, just close this and just okay, we have about page. Now we have to link my about page with about.ejs. So we have to slash css slash about, and we have to add javascript at the bottom slash css slash about.js. Okay, about our team, contact, about us, building the future together, discover the stories, mission and values, our mission, our vision, our values, happy line, project completed, team members, and our story beginning with this. Oh yeah, it's just how I, this is just like I will, I'll, if I'll go for like if I have to build this on my own hand, even if I can use the GitHub templates, it will take hours to build me this. Today is more productive day, I think. Our team and contact is not working. About us, and do not use here this and contact. Okay, do not use sections here. I have to write, I have to say do not use Claude. Okay, do not use sections here, just all in one page and accessible by like scrolling. Remove sections को remove कर दो, due to because it will become more overhead, like her for everything we need sections. No, we just want, we here we have about just a separator and just all the things. Give me a second, give me a second. Okay, we can start, resume our discussion. I think I just created a HTML file. We just have to copy this HTML file and just have to paste. Okay, I don't think we will require. I'm just removing this. I don't know why this is navigation is so important. Let us understand why this. Acha, behind it is not CSS. It is this JavaScript. We have hamburger menu, and we have a progress bar. We have nav links. Choose mobile menu when clicking on this. Okay, it is clicking event, and here we have clicking event. Okay, but when we scroll, we have little nav scroll bar, navigation bar scroll effect. You see, that is why things doesn't happen. So we have to remove this navigation bar. So I think it is working on it. We don't need this footer slash js slash about. Okay, here we have CSS, here we have CSS. Now it is writing the JavaScript code. I have to link the CSS. We have a kind of things that is what do we have? We have a उड़ता पतंग Meet our teams. There is only one person in this team, and that is me only. Me and I'm thinking to add the chat GPT plus Claude. Me, chat GPT, and Claude. Okay, I'm thinking to push this above chat GPT and Claude. These are our team. The work of ChatGPT is debugging. The work of Claude is uh, uh, like repetitive task removing. Okay. There is a footer. I think there is a footer. I have to remove that footer. I have to remove this. Where is footer? Now it's quite good. (2025) the beginning. The talented we have LinkedIn, GitHub, LinkedIn, and these two things. Font family, I want my font family that is inherited. Okay, I have done today. We have done like pretty much task, like we have done this whole things. Okay, we have done this about section, we have done this policy section. Okay, we got refund policies, we got cookie policies, and all this responsible. I have to think that about page is responsible or not. Responsible, sorry, responsive. Just go for inspection, and I have to do the responsive. It is quite responsive up to 346. I don't think any device that have smaller display until we have. Okay, it is working for this pretty well. This template is so good, it is so good. I'll save this template on my GitHub, and if you want this I'll provide the link. It is quite responsive. You just need to code and you just add these components in your website as it is. You just need to alter about this text, these lines, and all raw stuffs. Okay, we can make this card circular, but I don't think it is good as it is. I'll remove this. Okay, okay. hmm. I'll add myself here. I'll add two things, and here I'll add like one a join. You could be there. One a join and L before career page. Okay. About the EJS, go for team member 2, team member 3, and we don't need team member 4. contribute in debugging. Support. Why I'm it is taking too much time. I just, yes, absolutely, since log not just root them load on. Free forwarding, okay, we can do this, so we will do this. Definitely we will do this. I have to make the admin panel to process this request. Now we have to create the admin panel, and we will this stuff tomorrow. I think tomorrow we will make the admin panel and the main card panel. Okay, we have done all this. We have to done the main admin panel, and we have pricing. Okay, we have to reframe this page. We have to reframe this kind of page. It is quite looking so. I'll just create with Claude. I'm just creating it in 2 or 3 days. Okay, so okay, I have to do the backend architecture. Okay, or we have downloaded the policy space. It is quite good. Cookie name provider, propose duration types, vulnerabilities, GID, session ID of website, maintain. What is this? Okay, that's it for it is make something. I don't able to think about that if I'm going for just GitHub templates, but Claude have generated view browser instruction. Okay, and it also generated this manage preferences. We can make this color or everything, but it is quite good. Okay, at backend we can solve this. Those essential cookies are due to authentication and authorization. Okay, that's it for today. We will continue our this project. Okay, by these things we will able to do this front end part in like by Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I think from Saturday we will do. Okay, we can like made this product readiness, like production readiness, and we have to just build the backend architecture, and which we will enjoy to in building the backend architecture.